Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to use form abandonment feature in Bitform. Let's begin. First, click on your form name. Navigate to the settings section. Now select the form abandonment feature on the left-hand side of the menu. Then enable the form abandonment feature. Now if you enable this option, you will see a warning message below the form. If you enable this option, the form will be saved as a draft only for logged-in users. By enabling this option, you can repopulate form fields with previous partial entry from the database or local storage. Now select the Save Draft when user leaves the form page options. Then click on Update button. If someone fills out the form but leaves the form page without submitting it, then the form status will be automatically saved as a draft in the responses. Let's fill up the form. Now leave the form page without submitting it. Then get back to the form builder and check the responses. You will see that the form status has been saved as a draft. Now I will show you how to repopulate form fields with previous partial entry from the database or local storage. Then go to the settings section. Select the form abandonment feature on the left-hand side of the menu. If you enable this option, the form fields will be repopulate with the previous partial entry from the database for logged-in users. Otherwise, the form fields will be repopulate from the local storage. So enable the Save Draft only for logged-in users option. Then click on the Update button. At the top right corner of the form page, you will see the currently logged-in user. Now reload this page. You can see that the form has successfully repopulated with the previously saved partial entry from the user database. Otherwise, if the user is not logged in, then the form fields will be repopulated from local storage. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.